Hi, I'm Susan. I hope everybody's doing great today. I have gotten as far as I'm planning on getting right now in my correspondence journal, and I'm going to do a flip through. There are some pages in here that I haven't done anything to, and I just figured that once tags and stuff come in and I have an idea of how to decorate those pages, but I have decorated some. So I just want to show you what I've done. It's got 3 signatures, and you've already seen me make the cover. And so I'm just going to go through with these signatures. I've got that kitty cat. I just stamped and did some distress crackle and gel pen painting. I just added some pieces from that book I had showed you. I used one of my altered playing cards that I made on the full deck challenge too. This was some ephemera that came. And I believe these came from Luise Heinzl, if I'm not mistaken. This is the one I did on the 50 stack challenge, crafted cat. I added that. Now I'll do something with this envelope. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a tuck here. I did this on the 50 stack challenge. So I've got it as a tuck. I love that cat. That was a Tim Holtz stamp. And I used just this tag. It had the kitty cats on it, so I just used that as a tuck. I've got a jelly print, some gardening pages, and there's that kitty. I think he's so cute. I've enjoyed making this. I forget how much I enjoy making journals. Got that little tuck. Another picture of my bushy cat. That's one of the guest checks that I did on the 50 stack challenge 1. And I'll do something with that later on. Some of this I left blank because I don't know, what's going in there yet. I just thought that was cute. I stamped that and just colored it in with colored pencils. Stamp that, got that. A pocket I made, I think this was I'm not sure what this may have been a Roxy's Creation weekly challenge or something else, I'm not sure. Got that pocket as well. I can't even remember when I made that. Oh, this is a Roxy's weekly challenge because it's an envelope and it's got up there it's got a place for tag. Another gel print. Another tag as a tuck. Got this large tag. I put large tags on here to kind of support because the paper's flimsy. I use this tag as a tuck. I'm not sure how well that's going to work. We'll see. Another altered playing card for tuck. I did that on the full deck challenge too. Oh, cute. I got a belly band. Another kitty cat I stamped. I use this as a tuck. Another tuck. Another guest check. Another tuck. made this a long time ago. I think it was from a masterboard. And it's got this. Another one of the Roxy's creations with you hold the envelope, but you hold the tag and around the page. I sewed around my coffee dot pages. Another altered playing card from the challenge. Another tag that I use as a tuck. Another tuck. I just had fun with distress oxides on this. The other little corner pocket that I made. Out of jelly print. Another decorated pocket tuck. Another pocket I made, I don't know when. And that's it. I think it turned out cute. I'm excited to start adding stuff to it. And I will do some more decorating as I start getting more and more heavy mail and more tags. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all are having a great day. I hope you like my journal as well. I'm very excited about it. So y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.